Hi, and welcome to your official Loog Guitar lessons. My name's Emily Zimmer, and I'm going to be your teacher. Let's rock! Strumming is how you give rhythm to a song. That's kind of the groove of the song, and it's going to be a combination of down strums and or up strums that make a pattern that kind of give a vibe and a groove that you can follow to the song. When you're strumming, you want to make sure that you hit all three strings on your guitar, like this. Now, there's different kinds of grooves in different kinds of music that kind of give that music its style. For example, a reggae player might use only up strums, like this. Or a punk rocker might use only down strums like this. And a folk rocker might use a combination of down strums and up strums like this. So whatever pattern it is, it's going to have a little bit different style. Now, let's try some really simple strum patterns. I'm going to count the beat. So I'm going to count the pulse of the music, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to use only down strums. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's try this together. Let's try on a simple D chord, a combination of down strums and up strums. I'm going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we're going to go down on the numbers and we're going to go up on the ands. Ready? And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. Now let's try strumming only on the 1 and the 3, like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now let's try strumming only on the ands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's kind of like the reggae pattern that I showed you before. Now let's try strumming only on the 2 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Now you've got a couple of basic grooves to start strumming with. You can try this on any chord you want. So choose a chord and practice these grooves, at first slowly, and then work up your speed gradually and see if you can keep it going. Happy strumming, and I'll see you in another lesson. Remember to subscribe to the Loog Guitars channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time we have a new lesson up. See you next time.